The blood of animals and the sap in plants contain a very high proportion of water. Now, in case of living animals, in the whole body, the blood is present, and the blood, it is nothing but the fluid. So, in that blood, a very high proportion of water is there. And in case of plant, the sap is present. Now, sap, it is nothing but the fluid transported in xylem and phloem cell of the plant, and this xylem and phloem cells transport the water and nutrient to all plant body. So sap it is also the fluid, and in that sap the water concentration is also high, means no living things, either it is animal or plant, they can survive without water. So in the plant body and in the animal's body, all the body process it require the water. So water, it is said that water is life, means without water the life it is not possible. So the water is life. Now observe and discuss. In that diagram, the distribution of water on the earth is given, that is groundwater, ice and water in other forms, as well as the water available for the drinking purpose. Now see in that chart, in first column they given us the water available on earth, and in second column they given us the percentage, is in how many percentage of amount it is present. Let us see, the first one is seas and ocean. In seas and ocean the water concentration is 97%. In river and lakes it is in 2.7%. The water available for the drinking, that is fresh water, it is in 0.3%. So the distribution of water, that is a 97 in seas and ocean. After that 2.7% in river and lakes, and a very less amount, that is 0.3%, it is present or available for drinking purpose, that is the fresh water resources. We cannot use all the water on earth because seawater is salty. Just now we saw the distribution of water, that is it is present in groundwater is there, ice and ocean water, sea water. Though the water it is present in different resources, we cannot use all the water which are present on our earth because seawater it is salty. Some water it is in the frozen state, that is ice, we cannot use it. A very small quantity of water is available for drinking, it is enough for all the living things. Just now we saw that in chart, the water available for drinking, it is only 0.3%. It is enough for all the living things. And let us see that question now. Find out in what ways is the water in seas and ocean useful even though it is salty. Just now we saw we cannot use all the water on our earth because seawater is salty. Now in what ways we can use the sea and ocean water? We know that the seawater is salty. If you boil that water up to a sufficient temperature, then it not remains salty. Still that time we can use it. And though the seawater is salty, it supports the quantity of marine life that serve food for us. Some plant of life of sea recycles oxygen that is useful for us to breathe. It also moderates our climate. Monsoon come entirely out of evaporation of seawater. So this is some of the benefits of the seawater.